Hello there people, Andy Lowe here from easymoneybetting.com. Today's Friday, November the 20th, and we have an offer from Paddy Power. Quite a simple one again, and here it is, money back as a free bet if your horse finishes second, third or fourth. So how do we play this? This is how I will go about this one. I will look at the odds and then have a look at my markets and see which is the closest. Now at the moment there's a pretty heavy favourite with Buzz at 1.91 and 2.02. So what I will do is I will put my £10 bet on the favourite and just do that. I do have a power up, but I will save that for the football because it's a much better option. I'll do another video for that. So that's 1.91 and the lay odds are 2.02. So if I put that into my calculator, £10, 1.91, 2.02, calculate. So that's going to cost me 54p. So I lay off £9.46. So I'll just go and do that now. I'll go into markets. Lay, and it's £9.46. Sell, confirm. So that's done. So a lot of people, when you get a situation like this, it's not particularly a lot of horses running and you've got a clear favourite. A lot of people will just what we would call AP it, which is advantage play. They'll basically, you see, I could have waited a little bit and got a better price there. However, so they will just they'll bet on Buzz and hope that it wins, and if it doesn't, there's a good chance it's going to come second, third or fourth, so it's more or less a free bet at more or less doubling your money. But I like to play the odds. That's going to say like it's cost me 54p with a chance of winning a £10 free bet. Okay, hope that helps. Don't forget to go below and look at my other videos and like them. Go and subscribe to the channel. I've got loads of these sort of offers. They come daily. Like I say, I just go into my software, the calendar. I'll just show you quickly. So today, like I say, it's Friday the 20th. These are all the offers that are on today. And we get this itinerary. Comes through on our software every day. And, well, there's just lots of easy money to be had. So that's the one I've just done, Paddy Power refund. There's also another one. Oh, there's three. So let's have a look at the second one. Number 2. So there's a bet there. I have to bet on this. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I'll look into it. And there's also a number 3. So it's the tennis. So bet on the tennis. So there's 3 offers there just today on Paddy Power for getting a £10 free bet. Anyway, I hope that helps, and I'll speak to you again.